We tend to think of a spa day as this big luxury, right? Something you do once in a blue moon as a special treat. But what if we've been looking at it all wrong? Today, we're going to explore a different idea. The spa is an absolutely essential tool, a necessary reset button for our crazy, demanding lives. And I mean, really think about it. When was the last time you actually hit pause? I'm not talking about scrolling on your phone or kind of half watching a show. I'm in a moment where that constant buzz of the world just fades away. It's harder to find than you'd think, isn't it? And that difficulty, that struggle to find a real pause, well, that's a symptom of a much bigger problem we're all facing, modern-day burnout. It's not usually some big dramatic crash. It's more like a constant, low-level hum of pressure that's just become the background noise of our lives. So the real danger here isn't one huge stressful event. It's the slow, steady pileup of all the little things. There's actually a physiological term for it, allostatic load. It's the wear and tear on your body from being in a constant state of stress. Every notification, every deadline, every little worry, it all adds up, leaving us feeling totally drained and just disconnected. Okay, but now, imagine an escape from all that noise. Picture a place that's designed to be the complete opposite of that hum, a sanctuary, where the whole point is to slow down, where you're not just allowed to pause, you're actually encouraged to. And that's exactly where this idea of a personal sanctuary comes in. This isn't just about getting away for a couple of hours. It's about stepping into a space that's totally dedicated to the act of pausing and recharging your entire system. It's a complete sensory experience, right? The soft smell of calming oils, that gentle music, every single detail is there to shift your body out of that constant fight or flight mode. It helps activate what's called the parasympathetic nervous system. That's our rest and digest state, and that's what turns this from just an indulgence into a powerful tool for building a healthier, more sustainable rhythm for your life. So it's really best to think of it less like a mini vacation and more like a hard reset for your entire system. It's a chance for your body and your mind to power down, clear out all the clutter, and just restart. You don't just leave rested, you leave truly renewed. But how does this transformation actually happen? Let's kind of look under the hood at the specific tools and treatments that make this deep level of restoration possible. A modern spa is basically like a toolkit for your well-being, and each tool is designed for something different. Rejuvenating facials, for instance, can help fight the toll that stress takes on your skin. And then you have therapeutic massages, which directly go after all that physical tension we carry around in our bodies every day. This table is a fantastic way to see what's what. So let's say you're just looking for pure relaxation to calm everything down. Swedish is probably your best bet. But if you've got those stubborn knots from sitting at a desk all day, a deep tissue massage can literally work to break all that up. It's all about matching the right treatment to what your body is telling you it needs. And here's what might be the most important part of all, the personalization. A really skilled therapist doesn't just go through the motions. They listen to you, they pay attention to your specific needs, and they tailor the whole treatment just for you. That's what elevates it from just a service to real therapeutic care. And, the amazing effects of this reset don't just stop the second you walk out the door. Not at all. Instead, they create this incredible positive ripple effect that touches pretty much every part of your life long after the treatment is over. You can see how this journey just flows. It all starts with that immediate physical relief from the reset that then frees up your mental resources, so you come back with more clarity and energy. And finally, that all leads to real tangible improvements in your daily life, from being more focused at work to feeling more connected with the people you care about. So this all sounds pretty fantastic, right? 4:15. But how do we make it a real practical part of our lives? How do we get from thinking of this as a rare treat to making it a consistent, non-negotiable part of our wellness routine? And look, in a world that is just flooded with wellness trends, you've got meditation apps, expensive retreats, you name it, it's totally fair to ask, what makes this approach any different? What's the unique value here? A huge part of the answer is this focus on affordable luxury. The idea is to democratize that high-end spa experience, to break the idea that you have to spend a fortune to get high-quality care. The goal is to make the expertise of talented therapists and the benefits of that calm, serene environment accessible to way more people. And to really get the most out of it, a few practical tips can make a world of difference. Arriving a little early lets you decompress before your treatment even starts. Staying hydrated is super important for flushing out toxins, and treating these visits like a consistent routine. That's the real key to making the benefits stick. Oh, and this reset doesn't have to be a solo mission. A lot of spas now offer couples packages, which is a really cool way to turn a personal wellness journey into a shared moment of connection and relaxation. We started this by asking a question about the past, but let's end with one about the future. What if we stopped seeing self-care as an optional expense and started treating it as a non-negotiable investment in our own well-being? That reset button is right there. The only question left is, are you ready to press it?